So I will turn off the power, switch the power off of the boiler. Then I get this key, look at the arrow. There is a slot in there with a padlock, open and close position. So I put the key with the arrow into the open padlock position and then twist it to the right. That means that the padlock is locked, which means the air circulation is closed. Now anti-clockwise, I turn this knob anti-clockwise to refill the, actually I open this first. You look at this gauge here. It's number 1 at the moment. It should be about just below 2. And right, so I'm going this anti-clockwise, and the water starts getting into the system, and that arrow there should come up. Once it reaches just below 2, I put it clockwise, same as the clock. Make sure it's tight. Close it. Pull. Take a little bit of cloth. Twist the actual key back into the open padlock position. Pull it. Make sure it's dry, and then switch the power for the boiler back again. And it sure comes on back. Thank you.